Mm.
nagbebenta, nagte-trade kayo ng currency. Tama?
Yes. That's right.
So,
That's right.
it's like parang para itong money changer, pero ang difference sa
Yeah,
money changer, nagpapalit ka lang ng pera. Ito,
correct.
pwedeng yung dollar mo may bibili ng dollar sa ibang bansa. Tapos
Yes. Or yung
tutupuan
dollar
mo.
mo, ibili ng JPY, Japan yen, or euro,
Mhm.
'di ba? And
Mhm.
it's a global market. I mean, you are dealing in a global scale, hindi yung pera mo lang.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Mhm.
So, yun
Okay.
yung pinakaano niya.
All right. So tell me more about itong pagiging platinum introducer broker. Is this something, kasi this is not common. We say platinum.
Yeah.
The word platinum kasi is high end eh. So meaning meron itong bronze or
Yeah,
silver.
that's
Tama,
right.
is it?
So, as I
Did
mentioned,
you,
no, there's
mhm.
rank. There's a rank when you
Yeah,
get
okay.
into this. So it's similar to the insurance market wherein you come in as an
Mhm.
agent, okay, and then you
Mhm.
move up to being
Mhm.
supervisor, a manager, diba?
Mhm.
Yung ganun. So dito sa OPEX, meron din siyang ganun. So meaning to
Mhm.
say,
Mhm.
if you have clients, who would also like their funds to be traded with a broker,
Mhm.
nagkakaroon ka ng
Mhm.
rank. So that's how
Okay.
you achieve the ranks.
Okay. But before we move forward,
Mhm.
bago ka napasok sa forex trading, yeah, I remember sabi nila may mga scam, may mga
Yep,
ganito. And
marami.
before entering, ano ba yung work mo? Saan ka ba related? I related into forex ba before joining?
No. As I've said,
Uh-huh.
this is the first time that I joined. Kasi nga, for me,
Mhm.
forex trading is very risky. If I'm gonna do
Yes.
it on my own, definitely
Mm-hmm.
hindi ko siya papasukan. Kasi nga, I have a lot of
Mm-hmm.
friends who've been doing forex na nababalitaan ko na parang in just one click ubos yung pera nila. And
Ah,
I know a
ganon?
lot of people, yeah, and I know a lot of people also experience that. Ibig sabihin, kailangan aralin mo siya. Pag-aralan mo talaga ha.
Mm-hmm.
May mga ano yan, may mga classes yan.
Mm-hmm.
Pangalawa, of course, kailangan may funds ka. Hindi pa pwede dyan yung $100 mo, ilaro mo. Saglit lang yan, ubos yan. Okay? So,
Okay.
kailangan you have
Okay.
enough funds. At saka karamihan pa
Mm-hmm.
dyan is yung oras. Kasi most of the time, syempre magkaiba ng, 'di
Mm-hmm.
ba? Magkaiba tayo ng time
Mm-hmm.
zone with the other market. So
Mm-hmm.
kailangan gising ka.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Okay.
medyo nag-improve 'yan, no? Nag-improve 'yan, Roy, kasi ngayon meron na tayong tinatawag na mga bot. Okay? Meron ng mga tinatawag
Okay.
na bot. Itong bot na 'to, binebenta 'yan. Ibig sabihin nun, bibilin mo 'yung bot tapos i-implement mo doon sa account
Mhm,
mo, tapos si bot ang
mhm.
magte-trade pero may human
Ah,
intervention pa rin.
okay. So bot is for the benefit of our viewers, bot is
Robot.
palang a robot, I don't know,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's
Pero
true.
kusang nagano, I think this is common nowadays pag may sa Facebook mo may message ka, minsan may sasagot ng kusa, yun yung bot
Mm,
tama ba? So
mm.
that's the bot. Okay, so yun.
Yeah,
Okay.
pero yung bot na binebenta sa market, kadalasan may human intervention pa rin. And you know
Mhm.
what? Pagka meron kasing
Mhm.
human intervention, especially in the
Mhm.
forex market or in the crypto market, may
Mhm.
emotion. May kasamang emotion 'di ba? And ang
Mhm.
hirap ng tipong um,
Mhm.
okay lang 'yan kapag ang pinag-uusapan is free account,
Mhm.
demo account. Pero
Mhm.
pag
Mhm.
pera mo na,
Okay, yeah, yeah.
that's where your
Mhm.
money come into play. That's where your emotions come into play. Doon na nagkakatalo. Doon yung tipong kumikita ka during
Mhm.
the demo account, pero pag actual na, ubos yung pera mo just like 15 minutes or even 10 minutes, wala
Mhm.
na. Yun.
Mhm.
So, what actually OPIX Tech does is they incorporate itong AI. Wherein, tayo as an IB or
Mhm.
introducer broker, we don't need to physically do all of these things that I mentioned. Kasi nga yung AI ang gumagawa nun
Mhm.
para sa atin, which is the artificial intelligence. And we are all aware of it,
Okay.
right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Especially nung pumasok si ChatGPT, so everybody knows about.
Mhm.
'Di ba? May idea na tayo
Mhm.
about what AI can do.
Mhm.
Ang kagandahan niyan, pinasok niya ito dito sa
Mhm.
finance.
Okay.
That's the advantage of it.
Mhm. So teka lang, sabi mo kanina yung pera mo saglit lang mawala. 'Di ba
Yeah.
nakakatakot yung parang yung mga viewers natin parang teka lang, ba't naman papasukin yan nakakatakot.
Ah,
Yeah, ba't
that's
mo
what I'm
pinasok
saying.
nakakatakot pala yun.
No,
Oh,
no.
yeah.
Let me stand corrected with that. Yun yung traditional. That's the traditional
Okay.
forex trading na nangyayari sa
Mhm.
labas. Okay? I'm talking
Mm-hmm.
about what's out there in the market and what is the
Mm-hmm.
difference between OPEX. Kasi with
Mm-hmm.
OPEX, it's the
Okay.
AI who's actually doing it. Sila na. So
Mm-hmm.
yung alam mo yung marami kasing mga factors, 'di ba, na tinitingnan eh. So like for example, yung drawdown. If you're in the forex
Mm-hmm.
industry, ang drawdown diyan, ibig sabihin mga nasa 50, 70%, malaki ang pag-asa na kumita ka, pero yung risk mo is also very very high. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, what
Okay.
the AI does with OPEX is ang drawdown nito is only 3%. That's very very
Okay.
small. Meaning to say,
Okay.
pag nagpa-trade ka ng example $1,000, ang drawdown
Mm-hmm.
mo is only 3%, which is what? $30. Yun lang ang exposure mo.
Okay. Okay, okay. So, ang talino naman nung AI na yan.
Yeah,
Di ba?
matalino talaga ang
Parang
AI.
ano, oo. Kasi 'di ba, when you say foreign exchange, alam natin naman 'di ba yung the notion correct me if I'm wrong. Kaya nga
Mm.
meron tayong exchange rate, yung a
Yes.
dollar to a peso na
Mm.
ngayon pwedeng 56 pesos, example
Yes.
lang. Then
Mm.
mamaya maging 70 pesos na yan whatsoever. 'Di ba parang
Mm.
it's ganun siya kabilis na in a snap,
Oo,
pwedeng magbago,
masyadong
tumaas,
volatile.
pwedeng bumaba.
Yes, the right word is
Exactly.
volatile. Now, what is the difference? Sa forex trading kasi,
Okay.
dalawa yung pwede mong pagkakitaan. Okay? One is yung profit trading na pinag-uusapan. Okay? Ito yung pwede kang
Mhm.
mawalan talaga ng pera, which means to say, pwedeng umakyat yung, 'di ba, yung presyo niya and then bumaba. So andun yung volatility niya. So ibig sabihin,
Mhm.
pwede talaga mawala yung pera mo because you are basing it on profit. Profit ha, pinag-uusapan yung kita doon sa margin.
Okay.
Trading
Okay,
profit.
okay, okay.
Now, there
Yeah,
is
okay.
another income in forex trading which is
Mhm,
known as lot rebate. Okay? This is only given to
mhm,
IBs. Ibig sabihin yung mga introducer brokers, ito lang yung binibigyan.
mhm,
Okay? Nung company, nung lot rebate na tinatawag. So, lot rebate is not
mhm,
based on trading profit, but it's based on volume. Trading volume ang
mhm,
pinag-uusapan. So, this
mhm,
company
okay.
actually what it does is nagbibigay siya ng given. Kumbaga may fixed yung binibigay niya. Hindi ka matatakot kasi hindi naglalaro ng malaki yung pera mo. Yung risk factor na
Mhm,
sinasabi is very very minimal.
mhm, mhm. Parang diyan na lang lahat siguro, wag na dun sa isa na option. Di ba
Yeah,
maganda?
actually
Tama ba?
kasi
Op
and I can proudly say no, in the market actually OPEX is the first
mhm,
to introduce last year. It's the first to
mhm.
introduce yung lot rebate system. Because lot rebate has been
Lot rate.
there. Okay? Lot rebate,
Mhm.
tandaan mo, Roy. Lot rebate has been there, but before, it was only
Mhm,
given to the introducer brokers. Sila lang yung binibigyan. Ibig
mhm,
sabihin, kung ikaw,
mhm.
nagpapatrade ka sa akin, I am the introducer broker, ako lang yung kumikita. Ikaw na nagpapatrade, pwedeng ma-wipe out yung pera mo. Pero ako, since ako yung
Gano'n.
introducer broker mo, whatever the case may be, may bayad ako. May kinita ako because I
Okay.
am earning from the lot rebate, but you are earning from the trading profit. Gets
Mhm.
mo?
I
So
see,
yun yung
I see.
difference niya. Yun
So
ang difference niya.
So basically ba, in today's parang world, may giyera, and we
Hmm.
understand that
Yes.
maraming pag may conflict, may paiba-iba yung, di ba, taas baba.
Mm.
Is it a good time or a bad time to go into forex
Yes.
trading, or what
The
you guys
answer
have?
is yes. The answer is yes. Remember, there are risks to everything that we do. Tama? Lahat naman ng bagay may
Tama.
risk eh. Even if you put up your own business, there will always be risk. Okay?
Correct, correct,
Even our life itself has risk, right? So, ano yung risk na
correct, correct.
sinasabi? That's why I mentioned earlier, Roy, di ba? The risk factor with
Mhm,
OPEX is only 3%. Meaning to say,
mhm,
yun lang yung amount or percentage of your money na i-risk ng company. 3%
mhm,
lang yan. So, we're talking
mhm,
about Black Swan incident, BSI. Black
mhm,
Swan incident is
mhm,
what you call yung earthquake, yung war, even that
mhm.
yung nangyari I think about 5 years ago, yung naipit yung evergreen doon sa kanal na bumagsak ang
Ah,
oil
yeah, yeah,
price.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, I
That's a
remember
black
that.
swan.
Oh.
In the forex trading market, we call it a black swan incident. Okay? So